Welcome back. I'm ready to share with you how to make a perfect post image for Google Business. Let's get started. Today I'm going to use Google, I'm not going to use Google. Today I'm going to use Canva.com. If you don't have an account, go to Canva.com, sign up for a free account, and you can do everything I'm showing you today. We are going to need a custom size image because we're going to put this into Google Posts, and they are 1200 by 900 pixels. So I'm going to click where it says custom size, and I'm going to walk you through how to do this. For the width, I'm going to put in 1200. For the height, I'm going to put in 900, and it's already set to pixels. Create new design. You'll notice that a blank canvas shows up over here on the right-hand side, and this is what we have to work with. We could choose to upload an image and put text over image or elements like arrows, etc. But for me today, I'm just going to work with a colored background and a message that I want to get across. So here we go. We're going to click inside the canvas. Once I click inside the canvas, you'll notice that a color box pops open. I can color the background. So click on the color box. And here, if you wanted to look for maybe a specific blue color, you could put in blue and then find all the different shades of blue, etc. Or if you know what your color is for your brand, and I have 3 main colors that I use. This is one of my brand colors. I can pop it in there. If you're new to this, you can actually put your hex code in for your color. Once I have my color in here, I want to add text over the color. So on the far left-hand side, you're going to notice that there is this navigation bar. Click on text. I'm going to choose to add a heading. And then I'm going to compress that so you can see things better. And when I have add a heading, I'm just simply going to double click till everything is highlighted, and I'm going to type my message out. So let's see, home values. Oops, I'm going to get rid of my Grammarly. If any of you use Grammarly, it's awesome. It helps you with make sure that you've got great spelling, etc. But it doesn't really help me when I'm on Canva. Let's see if I can get this bigger. Okay, let's try this again. Home values in Tacoma. Let's do Tacoma, Washington. Washington have increased by 13%. That's a big deal, right? So what I'm going to do is click outside of the box, click back inside so I can drag, and you'll notice that there's some guidelines that pop up, and right now my words are in the center. So I don't really want it to be quite that big because I want to add an image of an arrow so that people can see the arrows going up, and then if I'd like to, I can also grab these, make this a little bit, grab it, take it all the way to that little guide wire, as you can see. And I'm going to put Tacoma, Washington on the same line. So home values in Tacoma, Washington have increased by 13%. Pretty excited about that. Let's change the font color. I like white whenever I'm on saturated color. So if I click inside this box, now you're going to see a new navigation bar at the top. I can change the text color by clicking there, choosing white. Now I'm going to come back over and I want to add an image inside of here. And mine's actually going to be an element. An element is like a line, a dash, an arrow, a frame, etc. And I want to use an up arrow because home values have been going up. So I'm going to click on up arrow, but if you're on the free version and you don't want to get frustrated by all the ones that are pro, click right here on the filters, choose free, and then apply. Now I can find all of these images are free arrows that I can use, and I like this little one right here. So I'm going to click once. Once I click on it, you'll see that it lands in the middle of my canvas. I'm going to click outside of it, then go back in, drag it, and I'm going to keep it in the center as much as possible. I really like that look, and I want it to be white. So as long as I'm clicked inside of here, I can click on that color box, choose white, or maybe I want to make it really stand out. I could even choose orange. And I'm ready to go. I like what I have. This is my image that I'm going to put on Google Business. I'm going to go ahead and click on download. It's going to suggest PNG. It's going to be the most clear image. I'm going to go with PNG, but you can always choose to switch it to JPEG, etc. And once you click on download, save it, geotag it, and upload it. I hope that is what you were looking for today. That's a quick little tutorial on how to use Canva to create a Google My Business post image. Be great.